I'm always saying ke lagan kar, shadi kar, ke get married. But whatever you do, don't bring this type of wife into the house.
Which type do you mean?
Wait. Let me get rid of the bad energy first.
Mom, is there a reason why you have all these agarbattis?
Because today we are watching The Wife.
Okay then.
Use the discount code Z5UKPP for 1 month free subscription.
And make sure you follow Z5_Europe to be up to date with everything they are releasing.
Wife is dangerous. Do you know?
Now come on, Mum, you can't say that all wives are dangerous.
Na, doba jevo. Wife in this film.
मैं सोच रही थी अब जब हमने घर भी खरीद लिया है क्यों ना हम फैमिली शुरू करें
अरे बाबा हवा से बंद हो गया होगा ये उस बुढ़ी औरत का काम है तुम्हारे बीच में का बदला लेने आई होगी
मैंने तुम्हें एक बार भी फोन नहीं किया है वरुण
तू कॉल अपने आप लग गया 13 बार
तुम इसके बारे में बात क्यों नहीं करना चाहते वरुण यहाँ कुछ तो गलत है
ये भूतों वाली जो कहानियां है ना बचपन में अच्छी लगती है यू आर एन एडल्ट एक्ट लाइक वन
प्लीज हमारी मदद कीजिए प्लीज
This is a horror film.
It's not a detective film, it's not an action film, it's not a comedy film. This one is a real horror film.
Everything was going so well for the pair, huh? Look.
थैंक्स फॉर मेकिंग डिनर
They seem to be in love and really happy.
But then, oh my god.
See, Mum, not all birds in films are cute.
Huh? But the bird in Maine Pyar Kiya was not just a bird, it was a character, है ने?
कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा जा जा
So in most of the horror films that I've seen, there's this period in the middle of the film where things aren't too bad before they get really bad.
But in this film, things were weird all the time.
Quite literally, things are going wrong all the time in this film.
You thought Indian horror films were like Raz. What do you want? Con.
मिस्टर मल्होत्रा घर पर है
कौन
And Karan Arjun.
Mum, I never thought Karan Arjun was a horror film. There was just that one scene that used to get me really scared.
Huh? Whatever. You wet your pants in the cinema when we went to watch Karan Arjun. Talking about wetting yourself, here is a cute baby in the film. It can go two ways when there is a cute baby in a film, huh?
I have to say, the female lead character in this film was a bit slow to realize that, you know, her life is basically turning into a horror film.
Don't blame the bichari girl. Her husband was the real slow one. He was the real issue.
या फिर
शायद हमारे घर में भूत है
सच में आर यू सीरियस हाँ
आज तो किचन के कैबिनेट्स भी पूरे खुले हुए थे
तो
मैंने खुद थोड़ी देर पहले बंद किया था
I get your point.
You see? Nobody ever listens to the wife. Your bap is the same. If you don't want to listen to your wife, here is a guide. So please, if your tap is dripping, rail is rattling, doors are slamming, objects are breaking, then you have a ghost inside your house.
And what if you don't believe in ghosts?
Listen to the professionals, okay? And then tell me what you think.
ज्यादातर साइकिक्स का मानना है कि भूत इस दुनिया में फंसी हुई वो आत्माएं हैं जिनका शरीर अपने पुराने अस्तित्व से अलग हो गया है, पर मुझे लगता है सच इससे कई ज्यादा बड़ा है। मेरा मानना है भूत एक बहुत पावरफुल इमोशन का मौलिक अवशेष है।
This film worked. Why? Because it scared me. And I don't usually get scared in films. I'm laughing right now, but when I was watching it, I wasn't.
Ha, you are right. I'm the only scary thing in your life.
There are moments in this film when I don't know whether I should be scared, and just as I'm relaxing, something else will happen and it will make me jump. Also, the lead male actor in the film, Gurmeet Chaudhary, might look familiar because he's the superstar that played Ram in the Ramayan. What a role change!
This film is not for the faint-hearted, huh?
But it's defo worth it if you're into horror films. There are plenty of strange and scary things that will keep you shaking with fear. Have you caught up with all our other episodes?
Don't forget to check out the other episodes and use this discount code to get one whole month's free subscription. Okay, so bye bye. See you next time.